Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to work on the delete project functionality. So as you can see here that I'm present in the delete pro.go file. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to go to the delete.go file, and that is present inside the MySQL database. This is the MySQL database functionalities that I created. So I will copy this and paste it one more time and rename this. Instead of writing delete board, I will write delete project. And after that, let's write project, because it will take the email, board and the project name in order to delete the project. All right, so these three credentials are required. So let's write projects like this, and after that this is the boards, and let's write again, and let's write projects instead of writing board like this. So now it will take email address, boards and the project in order to delete this project. And after that, let's give another if statement like this and paste it, and this time write project. After that, let's write project. Yeah, so let's remove this and write project. All right, so it will check that whether the email address, board and the project are filled with some kind of data. If all of them are filled, then it will give me this error. It will execute this and delete the project. Otherwise it will give me the error that hey, the flags are required to delete the project. All right, so the flags, these are the three flags that are required to delete the project. So yeah, this is how it will work. So now let's go to the delete pro.go file, but before this, let's go to the add pro.go file and copy all these things, like from board name to scroll down and copy all these and paste it here. Remove this and paste it. Let's go to the add pro.go file again and just copy these two credentials. So let's paste it like this, and after that let's remove this and write Control D. Yeah, so drop pro. So now this is how it will work. So specify the board name to delete. Specify the project name to delete. So yeah, this is how it will work. So basically the board name and the project name will be given by the user, and the email address will be taken from the Redis. As you can see here that the member email address and the user email address, both of these email addresses are taken from the Redis, but the board and the project name we will have to give in order to delete that project. All right, so let's remove this account name. Where is this account name? Yeah, this is the account name that I'm not going to use it here. So let's remove it from here. And similarly, I will remove this person status and date, because I also don't need this thing, because I just want the board name and the project name to be given to delete this whole project. All right, so yeah, so let's remove this, and after that remove this one also, and remove this one also. Now let's modify the things, like here you can see the user project. So first of all, I will write project name is equal to user project like this. All right, so if the project name is equal to the user project, then it will execute this. And similarly, let's write member project. If the project name is equal to the member project, then it will execute this. All right, and if the board name is also equal to the member board or the user board. So now what I will do, I will execute this, remove this and write MySQL delete board instead of writing what you can say. Instead of writing delete board, I will write delete project. Sorry. So yeah, this will require email address, account email for the user email, board for the board name, and the project name, that is project name, like this. All right, so let's copy this and remove this one data from here and paste it like this. All right, so now let's change the messages, like from the project is successfully deleted, and similarly I will remove this person name because it is not given it here. So the board name is wrong and the project is successfully deleted, and the project by this name is not present, is not already present, is not present, like this. Because if the project name is equal to the user project, then it means that it is present. but if it is not present, then it will give me this error. All right, so the project by this name is not present. So let's copy this and save the, remove this, and now let's remove this one and paste it like this. And similarly I will write, yeah, the project is successfully deleted. So now this will work fine as for my thinking. So yeah, let's save this one also. And now what I will do, I will write go install. So now this is done. Let's remove this MySQL root p, use proctl, sorry, like this, select from projects. So as you can see here that currently there is only one project that is present. So let's create the project, another project, and then we will delete it. So if I show you, I'm present as a proctl veins account. So yeah, so let's write proctl set pro and help. You can see that set pro or add pro, sorry, it should be add pro, not set pro, add pro. Like you can see here that there are multiple things that are required. Board name, so I will write it proctl, what you can say, add pro, board name is given. Board name should be what you can say, the veins board, because this board name should be equal to the board that I already created. If they are not matched, then it will not be inserted, or the project will not be inserted. So similarly, the what you can say, the person name, so the person name is veins, all right, and after that the project name, so the project name is next project, like this. And the next thing is going to be the date, status is done, and what you can say, date is going to be what you can say, the date is any date if I want to. But here is one thing that I need to work on. Instead of writing P, I will write N, or yeah, let's check this out. Yeah, P for the project and N for the person name, like this. So it will work fine. If I press enter on this, you can see the project is successfully inserted. Now you can see that there are two projects that are inserted now. So let's write remove this, and now let's delete one of this project. If I show you, let's delete one of this. Let's say if I want to delete this first project, all right, so the first project is the name, the board name, and it will automatically detect the email address that is present in the Redis, all right. So let's write proctl drop pro. The project name is going to be, let's say, first project, and the board name is going to be what you can say, veins board. The project is successfully deleted, so this one is going to be deleted from here. So let's refresh this. You can see the next project is present, but the first project is deleted from here. So yeah, this is how it will work. So let's clear, sorry, like this, and let's remove this, and now let's write git add, git commit, what you can say, deleted, worked on deleting the project. So yeah, this is how it will work. Git push origin master. So now it is pushed now. So let's see this, refreshed, 128, 129, worked on deleting the project. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.